Wasn't expecting it to come out so red on the laces, but it matches some of the feathers anyway. So I measured around my neck from armpit to armpit to know how big I should make my base. So I drew a template and cut it out. And I used this felt to cover over it to make it more comfortable and for a neater finish. Use some metal wire to reinforce the cardboard as well for the structure of it. That's the back side, and this is glue that I used for the whole project. It was absolutely fantastic. It held up everything so well. As you can see, I was laying out the first layer of the feathers on the outside. So I used the glue and stuck it down. And then I used the same glue and just was layering it over like half of the ribbon of the other layer before to put a next layer on top. And that's the new layer on top, and again doing it like half outside and half inside of the original layer. I hand sewed the laces onto the ends of the shoulder piece and I put it underneath the last layer of the feathers. So I ironed on this thermal backed ribbon, so it's a crystal ribbon, and it sealed itself once I set the iron on it for a few seconds. And this is the final product. So I decided to make some thigh straps. I put them around my thighs and then crisscrossed them over, and I hand sewed the middle of them to keep it secure, and then I added some elastic around the ends of them to keep it up on my thighs. So I also made one for my friend too. These are the 6" to 12" feathers that I put together for my headpiece, and I also made a jeweled headband as well to go with it. And yeah, this is us at the carnival. It was so good.
When I see got me